Can you spot the difference? Look closer. Because one of these cost me $120 and the other was $60 on Amazon. Same feel, same stretch, same performance. Now the only difference is a blue stripe that is sewn on to the ends to close off the ends, making sure they don't fray. Now, if you're worried about that, go ahead, go get it. But it is significantly more expensive than this one. I have trial run both of them and they are the exact same. One is just cheaper. This is really just a PSA for people who tuft on a budget because that's what I grew this channel on. I'm not doing this or saying any of this to hurt a business, their sales or image in any way, but this is just me being honest with you guys. There is a lot of overpriced things that are the exact same as the cheaper, reliable things that other people just create. And frankly enough, I will see those, I will test them out, and I will let you guys know if they are reliable. If they're not, then I'll tell you and I'll be honest. But I just saw this at a fraction of the price. I wanted to test it out and it was very reliable. It got here on time. I was able to work on a project because of it, whereas the other one, it's kind of always missing my deadlines. So I will be linking the Amazon fabric on this video. You guys can go and check it out, look at it. I did a review. I am being very, very honest. It is very reliable. It is good. It is literally the exact same as this other one. It just doesn't come with the unfrayed edges. But if you're buying in bulk, you're gonna have to cut it to size anyway. This was $60 for about a 7-foot by 14 feet. So I was able to fill up my frame a couple of times, I think 3 times, with that much fabric. That is wild. $60. And then it comes with a little kit as well, I'll show you. And then it comes with a couple of tufting supplies as well. It comes with a brush, clean your tufting gun. It comes with the glue spread, right? It comes with a tufting machine threader, and then a smaller one to get the angles, to get the glue on. Like, guys. Also, this is the company here, the Tuft Dream. So I'm going to be very honest with you. I had a great experience buying from them. It was not during like any sort of promotion sale or anything like that. I'm not being sponsored by them. If they do end up changing the prices after this video, I'll probably put like a pinned comment or something letting you guys know compared to the other one. But yeah, I mean, it's just reliable. It's good. And like I said, this is not a strike against the other company. It's just, I want things on time, and maybe it's just the delivery service, the carriers, I don't know, but I want things on time. I want, you know, cheaper prices, and that's what I found here with the Tuft Dream. So, yeah. I hope that helped you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.